just want to share some information with you on some things I learned while working in a podiatrist office. There's a whole lot of things that can go wrong with your feet. Things as simple as toenail fungus and ingrown toenails, which the fungus they would treat, they can do topically or orally now. The ingrown toenails, they can do little minor surgeries where they take two sides of the nail bed out and use an acid called phenol, and it kills the nail root to where it won't grow back, so you won't get an ingrown toenail again in that spot. They also do things as serious as bunion surgery. They can do a modified bunionectomy, which would be on the fifth toe, or they can do something as serious as doing a bunionectomy, an Austin bunionectomy on the great toe, which is your big toe. And they also treat things like heel spurs. They can do that surgically. A heel spur is kind of like a pointed bone coming off your heel, and you can't see it and you have pain and you don't know why, and it's because you have a heel spur a lot of times. They can do things as simple as shoe inserts or give you surgery for that. They'll also do things as serious as amputation. A lot of diabetic patients will come in and they'll cut their foot and don't know and get gangrene or something, and then they'll have to remove the whole foot or remove the toe. But there's lots of things that they do in podiatry that you would never know.